Hi, Claire. How's it going? All right, hey folks, we're here at McDowell Mountain Aquatic Center. They got all kinds of cool stuff here, so follow along. I'm on the lazy river. All right, so the first thing they got here on this lazy river is a waterfall, and this rapid moves quick. We're going pretty fast. All right, we're gonna get wet. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh well. Oh, Claire didn't like that. All right. Are you cooling off in the water, Claire? Yeah, me too. All right, folks, so it cost the three of us $17 to get in here. We're Scottsdale residents, so that's probably why we got such a great deal. But anybody can come here. It's open to the public. You don't have to be a resident. And so you got to check their website for hours. Google Maps was wrong. So they're open from 1 to 5 p.m. on today at least. It's a Saturday in August 2nd, yeah. And there's not too many people here. It's not super crowded. School's back, but it's Saturday. So anyways, I was expecting it to be super busy. All right, they got like a little thing that dumps water on you if you want, or you can bypass it like we did. Hey guys, I'm gonna catch you. All right, so this is the knee-deep pool for younger children. There they are. Woo! Did you have fun? All right, buddy. How was the water slide?
It was good.
Yeah? Did you go down? How many times did you go down?
About 5.
5 times?
Yeah, and it's fast, but it's definitely fun for kids.
It's fun for kids?
Yeah, and that's what the point of this channel is. So.
Yeah, it's fun for kids. All right. So, was it mostly kids on the water slide?
Yeah.
How fast did it go?
It went about, well, there's a little leak in the side, I think. I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
It might be just the waterway. But that's where you start going fast.
Oh, okay.
And sometimes they give you an extra push down.
Yeah.
I didn't get one.
Okay. And it's 2-person or 1-person, right?
Yeah.
Did you try both?
Yeah.
Okay. Would you recommend it to other people?
Yeah. Scorecard.
Nice, buddy. All right, well, we had a really great time here at the pool. It's hot out. It's like 115 degrees today. So this has been an awesome place. And they keep the water cooler than our pool at home. Don't forget to like and... Yeah.
Thank you.
Don't... To...
Like...
Subscribe.
Right.
Yeah. Don't forget to like and... Don't forget to like and...